House in Champaign with Paco on couch, 1974. The Paco was a puppy I got. I believe Paco was named after a character in the movie Serpico. I forget if that was the character played by Al Pacino, or if that was his pet dog. One or the other. I have the movie. I'll have to watch it. Anyway, what have we got? We got like a coffee table, perhaps a fan on the left there, a lamp. There's Paco looking rather cubistically interpreted on a small couch. It's like a mirror. Something in a frame on the wall there. A bureau or dresser of some sort, and another chair. All right, there you have it, just like I pictured it.